that's not even fair. Oh my god, that's not even fair, bro. God damn. Damn, that's not fair. That's not even fair, man. God damn. Oh my god. Damn. Yo, what's up, man? Damn. That's not fair. That is not fair, man. And they didn't even wait. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I freaking know, man. All right. So I'm gonna take a chance at this level, man. I'm gonna take a chance here. It might be the wrong. Because I guess this thing could potentially keep going. The best time to sell is when price is going up. You just hope that it doesn't go go up past your entry. Mm. Oh shit! Did I get the wrong right one? Okay, I'm in the right one. Okay. Just pull back to that trend line, baby. That's it. Mhm. Mhm. Come on, pull back to that trend line, baby. That's it. Give me a nice red candle here. Just give me a nice red candle here. Nice red candle down. Of course. Of Of course, I had to come back to the break even. Of course. Come on, Nasdaq. Give me what I want here. I'm just looking for a pullback. That's it. Mm. All right. So we got 3 minutes until the orb completes. If it kind of breaks out above that high, I'll try to get out as easy as possible, or as less painful as possible. I shorted this area because it's a previous area of supply. The question is the market going to respect it? Like I said, I'm not looking for a reversal, just a rejection, just a pullback. That's it. That's it. I'm just looking for the market to sell the retest here. Excuse me. Mm. Uh, all right. 443. Over 136,000 contracts was added in the first 15 minutes. A big move should be expected today. And come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Thank you. I'm going to trail this last one because I don't need it, honestly. I'm going to trail it. Okay, cool. I'm done for the day in the funded. Done. Done in the funded, baby. Done in the funded. Done in the funded. Cool. Got my money back. Okay. I'm done in the funded, baby. That's all that needed to happen today. That's all that needed to happen today. Okay. All right. I don't want to. That's all I was looking for right there was a pullback. A pullback. I was not looking for a reversal at all. I don't think this shit reverses today. It could. I just that's not what I was looking for. I was looking for a pullback, price trading into a previous area of resistance. I think we talked about this level last night on the NA meeting, and I was just taking my level. Actually, it didn't get to the level yet. Actually, I was looking at 755. Initially, I was looking at 735 to 755, but then I thought I was like, well, maybe it'll kind of be a fake out. But once I saw that rejection at 55, I kind of wanted to get into it. Or no, I'm sorry, at 35, because I figured that's where the market would try to be cute at. But okay. Uh, okay, man. All right. Shoot, I got the. My stop didn't move up. I noticed that. I would have got my target hit. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Well, there goes that drop. Mhm. All right, man. These small little lags are crucial. Mm, okay. Okay, man. Wow, that is so. Wow. Okay. All right. All right, man. All right. Actually, mm, I don't know. Gameway. I was focused on that damn. I took a risky ass trade. I took a super risky trade off of a prior area of resistance that may or may not would have worked. That's why I was quiet. I was trying to make sure if I need to hurry the hell up and get out before I took a loss. Well, I mean, a bigger loss. But I mean, we talked about this yesterday. I mean, all I did was follow my plan from yesterday. I was just unsure that it was a. I was unsure that it would work. And I was trying to manage it as best as possible and not get stopped out unnecessarily, but then also not lose more money than expected here. So Uh, Obviously, I should have allowed price to take. I mean, only lost a few points. I got stopped out at this candle right here. My target was right here, and it got hit. So I mean, okay. I'm gonna buy this pullback. I'm buying this pullback. So if I see the response that I'm looking for, I'm gonna add to it as close to my original entry as possible. All right, so now I got to figure out why my stop didn't pop up. My stop did not pop down. I don't understand why. So it reached 231. My stop didn't pop down. Or maybe, yeah, it's 234. So that's enough room for it to pop. So I don't know why it didn't work. And sometimes these little ATM strategies, they choose when they want to freaking work for whatever reason. My stop is supposed to go six ticks back, and it's supposed to follow, and it didn't do it. Well, we got the orb breakdown to the low. Hold on. Well, okay. I'll wait to see what they do at 9 o'clock. Then, all right. Hey, man, I gotta do whatever it takes to get them targets hit, man. You gotta do whatever it takes. So I would be in this right now. I would be in this short. I would be in this short. So, hmm. You know what? I'm not gonna take the short. I don't want to. I don't want to deal with it. I don't want to deal with it. I'll just wait for the pull back into that area. I don't want to deal with the short. Uh, Trading the Nasdaq is such an adrenaline rush. It is such a adrenaline rush. And for whatever reason, I feel like I'm choosing to miss these easy setups on gold. I feel like I'm choosing to miss them because man, these setups are good, man. These are good setups. Okay, so for the Nasdaq, I gotta make sure that my off-stream accounts is manipulating the market just right, so gain weight doesn't catch on to it. Mm. I don't think the bears are gonna do it, man, but they could potentially try to short it here, or they could try to push it up to the trend line again. I don't know. Mm. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me check on my daughter real quick. Of course, bro. All right, so I got stopped out of the freaking long for whatever reason, just for it to go in my direction. You gotta love trading the Nasdaq at times. You just gotta love this thing, or you'll hate it. So it stopped me out, and then goes in my direction. Hmm, okay. Hmm, 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 I think what I probably need to do is actually shift this over because it just because it makes it look like okay. Mm, hey, what's up, Santiago? I definitely agree with what everybody is saying. The Nasdaq has definitely been shit all over the damn place. I mean, it came back to the weekly close and bounced. Mm. I just hate the fact that I got stopped out here. It should just stop me out. Hold on, let me turn this damn thing off. Mm, mm. You caught that move on gold? Yeah, that was a good opportunity on gold. I mean, I was in this Nasdaq trade, so I didn't see it, but that was a good opportunity right here. So that kind of sucks that It didn't work out the way that I intended it to work out, but whatever. I've been slacking on gold this week. I think I'm doing that purposely. I think I'm doing it purposely. Uh, because I don't want to deal with Nasdaq and gold emotionally. Both of those instruments are very taxing on the emotions. Mm. Mm. I mean, it looks like the Bears are trying to hold that pullback. This would be the trade to take, but like I said, I don't trust in the Bears. If this was a pullback to a trend line for a long, oh, I would have took this all day. I'm just not going to take a pullback on a long on a short position. It's just not worth it. That is definitely not worth the stress. Because I mean, even if it works, if it takes 2 to 3 hours for it to work, man, that's not a good I don't feel like that's a good return. I mean, if it gets squeezed out here, this was my target yesterday that is completely missed. It missed this target yesterday, and I was targeting this 963. So it missed my target by a couple of points, by what 9 points or whatever, and then it dropped. Get stopped out of that position from yesterday. Wow. Okay. Mm. I don't even. Well, we'll see. We'll see. I'm willing to buy it down here, and I'm willing to sell it up here. So I'm just gonna set my limits and see what happens. I will say that I am happy that I was able to get that drop in my funded account. Uh, Honestly, if I make money in the funded, if I lose money in the evals, I'm not necessarily that doesn't hurt my feelings. I don't think that would ever hurt my feelings. As long as I make money in the account that I want to make money in, I don't that doesn't hurt my feelings. This is 45. I mean, I should already have this. I should already have this already set. Mm, mm, okay. Well, I mean, I guess that's all I could do. I mean, I'm looking at the other charts, the higher time frame chart, and that's all I can do. And that's all we can do now is now we wait. and see what happens. It's too bullish to freaking sell, and it's too bearish to buy. The market is definitely at a standstill right now. It doesn't know what it wants to do. The FOMO buyers is trying to get a piece of that. And I'm going to share why I took that initial short earlier this morning, even though it was a very risky trade. It was risky. But I've seen this happen with the Nasdaq so much that it just kind of gave me the confidence to take it. When I see a run like this into supply for no reason, no news, no nothing, we just get the market to just I mean, obviously this is a stop run. I mean, let's identify that this move right here was a stop run for all the bears that was getting short here at that trend line, which they should have. I mean, you should be able to confidently short a trend line. You should be. But I mean, if you're trading the Nasdaq, that's not always going to be the case. I try to only stick to break and retest trades with the Nasdaq, and that's it. I don't like taking trades at the trend line with Nasdaq, but that because of situations like this. Now, when I see price move rapidly into a previous area of supply, that right there that just gives me a sign that okay, it was no bullshit. They wanted to run that into supply. I'm just going to take it. So I took it. And I will say that I was not 100% confident. I'm just glad it worked out. It super worked out, in my opinion. Because if I held this thing, I mean, obviously from the highs, so far, this was almost a 200 point drop almost, maybe close, maybe 160, something like that. It's a rough estimate because I don't even know what this low is right now. So it's a rough estimate. And the low of that candle is 572. So about $171 or a 171 point drop from the highs. And it looks like they were able to short it off that trend line. When it works, man. When it works, it works. When it doesn't work, man. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm waiting for, Santiago. That's exactly what I'm waiting for. I would rather trade the long side. I want to get into an area where the market could potentially bounce. That's where I prefer to trade. But if I had to sit in a stressful short, I mean, shit, what else do I have to do? I mean, if it's going to take the bears 2 hours to short the market down, as long as it doesn't go past my stop, I guess that's okay. I don't want to get into the habit of passing up good trade setups because I don't like the direction the market is trading in. We know that the shorts are stressful. That's why they're called stressful shorts. But I don't want to be in a long where it makes me feel good to be in a long, but it just grinds down to my stop. And then it gives me hope. And then it takes that hope away with a big rejection candle. So all we got to do is wait at this point. So CISD, I guess I have to get familiar with these terms. CISD. Oh, change in delivery. Oh, change stuff in delivery. Okay. Thank you for that. I would agree. Looks like the ES orb is dang. I stopped trading ES. So is this the ES telling me that she doesn't want me to trade her anymore? Or is this me trying to convince myself that I shouldn't trade ES? Which one do you think it is? The 2 days I trade ES, I get shit price action. The 2 days where I didn't trade ES, the orb works beautifully. I know Investor Z was about to say something. She told you about me last night? Yeah, dude, the ES straight up curved me for 2 days, man. I was trying to get my targets to hit, man. That's it. I just wanted to get my targets to hit in. She curved me 2 days in a row, and then I go back to the Nasdaq, and then, but I mean, I will say that the ES traders didn't get that break and retest trade until about 12 o'clock in the evening, that's well past my trading time frame, and I'm already focused on other things at this time of the day. So mm, I can't afford to watch the charts past the time I get off stream. So I mean, if trades are happening after that time, that's no bueno at all. We need to have this price action happen in the first 2 hours. You said I called her gold and Nasdaq too many times. Tell her to keep her teeth in her mouth then. That's hilarious. I mean, shit, at this point, you got to tell your boys about it. You got to tell the guys about it. You got to tell the guys about it. That's the code. And she should know that. You got to tell the guys. You got to tell the guys about it. Got to. Okay, man. I mean, I guess, man. I would have to. I would have to. I mean, I guess. I mean, I got. I mean, it wouldn't have. Mm, 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 mm. Remember that the Nasdaq stopped me out of this long. Remember that the Nasdaq straight stopped me out of this long. She stopped your boy out of this long, taking away this long away from me. Mm. Mm, well, you know, I'm not interested in that. You know, I'm interested in the real move. Then from the perspective, it looks like I am. Mm, okay. $509. All right. Yeah. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Man, we missed the old Nasdaq straight out the. We missed the old Nasdaq straight from the gold Nasdaq. Chop up your soul, Nasdaq. Said on her goals, Nasdaq. We hate the new Nasdaq. Ugh. We hate the new Nasdaq. Always chopping around Nasdaq. Make you frown, Nasdaq. Seems like Nasdaq don't want nobody to win this year, man. She ain't the Nas crack no more. She's Nas weed or some shit now. She's her this price action is mid. She ain't the Nas crack no more. Well, this is why when it comes to taking shorts off of that orb breakdown, man, the Bears seem to never hold this damn thing, man. They seem to never hold it. Looks like well, if you're short, now that I've kind of drawn this out, yeah, it's hard to stay engaged. Or let me rephrase that. It's a challenge to stay engaged with this market, but it's pretty clear that we're now in an uptrending triangle range. So I mean, we could see something like this until whatever. So we are in a uptrend right now, somewhat. At least a little micro. Oh shit. Shit. This might not be a micro. All right. So let's see. Let's see if your boy is in the right spot for this short. Mm. Oh my god. I know, right? Hey trader. Okay. All right. This will probably be the last trade if I lose this right here. This will be my last trade if I lose this. I mean, I guess technically. Technically, are we? I get. Huh. I would prefer to get my limit hit here, but I don't want to miss the move or a potential move here. All right, I'm in. Mm. I'm gonna set that up there. Okay. All right. So I might be wrong here. I might be wrong. Nah, nah. I mean, if I should have just waited. I should have just waited for the 715 entry. I should have just waited for it. Should have just waited for the 715 entry. Hmm. We'll see what happens here, but Yeah, that's absolutely right, man. Market does do it does what it wants. It definitely does. Man, I should have been in this long though. Okay. And it looks like I should have just waited for the 715 entry. The 715 entry would have been a better entry, obviously. But leaving 15 points on the table like that, uh, even 15 points on the table like that, that's not. Remember, the Nasdaq stopped me out long today, towards the bottom, and then proceeds to go in my direction. I mean, we'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, this could just be like a small fake pullback to the 21. Mm. Probably what I should have did was, I mean, it's too late for it now, but probably should have broke even and got a better entry short. Mm. Motherfuckers be doing that shit. They be taking the screenshot. Yeah, that's probably what I should have did, honestly. Mm. Should have waited for the 715 entry. My stop would have been all the way back up here above this high. I don't want to add the extra risk on though, but I don't want to take an unnecessary loss either. Hmm. You know how the Nasdaq is. Whatever. Okay. Fine. Fine. Whatever. Fine. And she stopped me out this morning. Okay. So obviously the market is not going short. Okay. All right. Bears fucking suck at all as always, man. As always. As always, man. As always. Not going short. What's up, Market Edge? Oh shit, they're doing a 90% evals on them? Oh shit. I didn't even get an email. Only wealth charts. Okay, never mind. It looks like they're doing a 90% deal off of the wealth charts. I mean, but it's not going to hurt to try, I guess. They're doing a 90% off of the wealth charts. Yeah, I'm not. Honestly, I'm kind of over. I'm over web-based trading platforms. I'm kind of over that. Uh, Well, I guess it is still bearish until it's not, right? Guess it's still bearish until it's not. I'm sorry, bullish until it's not. Oh shit, really? Where you see that at, Cave Trader? Where do you see that at? Did you get an email? Is it on their website or something? On their Discord? Apex has a Discord? I didn't know they had one. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, I see it. Thanks for that, Cave Trader. Okay, I see it. Uh, hmm. $37, huh? Hmm. Hopefully they extend this. Yeah. Hopefully they extend it because I mean I'm $6,000 away from passing, but I'm not going to force trades to get a cheaper price. I think I'm down like maybe $600 today. Oh man. Hmm. Yeah, I should have took that 715 entry. I took that 715 entry. My stop would have been above this high. Hmm. Well, I mean the Nasdaq kind of got me twice today. I mean, if we do see like a pullback, that means she got me twice. You said that you keep getting an error. I mean, I'll try to log in to. I'll try to log in. See if I'm getting the same issues as you. Market edge. I was about to say that. But yeah, I'm in the. Actually, well, I'm not in it yet. Ah, man. Mm, this will be a super aggressive entry, man. I'll be super aggressive. Yeah. Currently performing a database backup. We anticipate to be back online in a couple of minutes. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm.
Pullback leg apparently. Mm. Hey, what's up, solo trades? Getting chopped up, getting stopped out of winning positions. Mm. Well, at least I didn't. I chose not to trade the E yesterday because this would have been frustrating. I mean, they just got super aggressive there. It's got super aggressive.
Mm.
I mean, I guess it works today, right? Crazy ass shit. Okay. All right. This is never fun. This is never fun. And then we got, man, this is not fun. This is not fun whatsoever. Mhm. Yeah, excuse me. I got to go a little bit higher. Mm. You got 15 minutes left on your lockup, cave trader. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Investor Z. They already did it already. I feel exactly the same way. Cave trading. Mm. 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 Maybe not. Maybe not. But I mean, if you're gonna buy a pullback, that's the area that I would buy it at. I wouldn't necessarily buy it anywhere else. Mm. Well, ooh, oh, oh, okay. Mm. 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 Probably need to.
Attack. It is like
Mm. Okay. Like there was literally no indication, none whatsoever. Nice. 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 Mm. Will she do it? Will she do it? I mean, I would prefer to get into a long, but I mean, if the market's going to go short, then yeah, it definitely did. I was considering getting short at the orb high. I was considering it, but uh, Nasdaq's been she's been stopping me out today. She's been trying to hit me in the face a couple of times. I don't know why. Mm. See the market. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, the market knows when you go outside, Santiago. That's why you gotta. It just want to test to see if you're really dedicated. Mm. Woo, 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 woo. Well, I'll give this a couple more minutes and then I'm just going to call it a day. The Nasdaq stopped me out this morning for my long. Mm. She stopped me out. and proceeds to hit all targets. Proceeds to hit all targets, man. All right, guys. That's it for me today. I gotta hop into this meeting. Very disappointed. Very disappointed. Well, it's bittersweet today. I was able to get that initial move, that initial short in my funded account. So I'm happy I made money there. It's disappointing that I wasn't able to grow, and I lost maybe what $500 or $600 in this eval. We'll get the money back. It's not a big loss. I'll take the red day. I'll take the red day because it looks like I missed the entry. Maybe it looks like I missed it. And we'll see what happens here. I mean, if it gets back above that trend line, then I may have missed the entry on this one. I thought this was a good entry, but I guess not. I guess the market didn't agree with it. So I guess we're going to have days like this where the market just stops you out, miss entries, and you're just for whatever reason you can't participate because the market is just being nasty. So I guess today was that day for me. So I'll still have this account by the end of the day. So I guess that's a bright side to look at. I mean, I didn't blow the account and took a loss. Yeah, I guess I'm just have to accept that. But all right, guys, that's it. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.